Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change view distance in Veloren. And to do this you will need to click on escape, go for your settings. Inside you can select graphics and there should be LOD details set to maximum and LOD distance also to maximum. Then you'll get the max distance, also the view distance and any other settings next to it. Now there's also option to increase it even more, but you will need to go through the files and I can show you that. Let me know in the comments if you actually want to know and learn how to do it. Now if you like this video, please hit that like button, leave us a subscription as it helps us so much in growing this channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.